Um, let's see some green. Hello, everybody. The boss trader is here, and that's what I do before the market open each Monday, just to cleanse all the things that happened the past week. And I do my research and be calm before any trade. And today we're gonna talk about Ehang. And a lot of you actually panicking last week, and a lot of trader I know they doubt they're investing with Ehang after the report, after a lot of things that happened. And until you, this is really important. If you actually invest in any stock, you have to see the future, what the stock will do, and do your research and see the balance sheet of the company, and is it giving a profit or actually making losses each year. And today we're gonna see the fundamental more. We go deeper for Ehang balance sheet, and after we go to the charts and see what this week have in store for us. So before we go to the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below if you have any question about my video. I really appreciate it, guys. See, so now let's go to the video. And as you know, Ehang actually specialized in drones, and they see the future that everything will depends on air mobility and using drones to actually for transportation for everything. And I see the same, yeah. Like the future is everything would be accessible, and with drones, this is like now we can see drones actually going everywhere right now. And let's go in the balance sheet, as I told you guys. As you see here, this is the balance sheet of Ehang, and as we see from the chart, the operating income actually increasing. Before it was negative, and it was decreasing. 2018 dropped to 74, then 46 and 21, then just one. And the under counterpart, we have the expenses, and expenses actually going down. This is really good because the company doing good with time, you see. And as we see here, this is the revenue of 2018, 2019, and Q3 of 2020. It's crazy. See the revenue, like the jump, it's almost 50% from 2019 and almost 70% from 2018 to 2019. And a lot of investors see this, and we can see in 2021 big jump ahead for the revenue. And always when you invest in any stock, when you see the balance sheet, you actually be more reassured that the company actually doing good. And just 1 week or 2 weeks in down trend in the stock is never defined any company. And now let's go to the chart. And as we see, we actually open today with really big, a good jump, almost 15%. And we have this big candle over our support here. Like I told you guys, um, uh, we got a big gap today. And see with me, guys, it's almost 15%. This is really a good indicator because we actually bounced from this level. Like I told you guys, this is a really important level here at this support area. And we actually bounced from it, and we have the gap up and this level. And now, like I told you guys, what is important now to actually test this level. And now we have to test this level to confirm to confirm at 65, sorry. We have to confirm this level, and we have to have a candle, this candle in coming days, to go beyond and close here. And 4-hour candle, we need a candle to close above the 65 to confirm our trend that actually we actually in an uptrend. We have to close above 65, and then the other important psychological value is we test this level at 96 in order to go on all-time high. This is how you be logical. Never actually see the price at all-time high before we actually test the last support. Now it's become the resistance. As I told you guys, when we are an uptrend, the resistance, the support would be the resistance for the downtrend market. So guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe to my channel, and comment in the comment section below. And as we see, the market is green this week. Hopefully we see the momentum coming in and the volume picking up this week, and we see some more gain and more healthy retracement in the uptrend. So guys, thanks for watching my video, until I see you in the next update. Of course, daily updates for Ehang, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.